Copy both sides of an ID card to print on one side of a single sheet of paper. On the home screen of the printer control panel, touch Copy and then ID card. If necessary, adjust any copy settings to match the copy job and then touch Copy. Lift the scanner lid and place the ID card in the left rear corner of the scanner glass, at least 1/4 of an inch away from the edges. Close the scanner lid, and then on the control panel, touch Continue. When prompted, lift the scanner lid, flip the card over, and place it in the same location as the first scan. Close the scanner lid, and then touch Continue to scan the other side of the ID card. Both sides of the ID card print on one side of a sheet of paper.